Hello guys and Assalamualaikum. Alright, today I want to teach you on how to do LED dancing or LED chasing. Alright, the things that you need are breadboard, small breadboard, okay, Arduino Uno, a few jumper, and LED. Okay, LED is up to you. If you want it more, you can do it, but you need to think that the port is only from 2 to 13, where it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 12 LED. Okay, but I'm just using only 5 because I want to show you that my project is function. Okay, alright, we don't need to waste time, so I need to assemble it. Okay, first we take the breadboard, right? Then we take the LED. Alright, okay, the LED has cathode and anode, where the cathode is the shorter. If you see the shorter, this one left, and anode is the longer one. Okay, right, I want to tell you, if you have the big LED, I mean this one, the big LED is okay because you don't need the resistor. But if you have the small LED, you need about 2.2 kilo ohm, because the Arduino port from 2 to 13 give 5 volt to LED. So if you have a small one, then you need the resistor. If not, your LED will be burned or malfunction. Okay, alright, now I want to assemble. Okay, I put here. Why I put like this? Because there is no current in the middle. Okay, that's why I put like this. You see? Okay, if you want to put like this also can, like this also can, but it will make more space. Okay, that's why I put like this. Alright, then you need to wait for me to assemble this. It's up to you where you want to put it. Okay, and the arrange is up to you also. Alright, now I already put like this. Okay, and then what you need to do is you take a jumper. Okay, you see on the Arduino the ground above the 13. Alright, I mean, if you see this is 13 and the above 13 is ground. Okay, and then you need to take a jumper and put here. Okay. Right. Okay, I've done. And then I put here. Oops, sorry. Okay, I put like this. Ground, go to breadboard. Okay. And then what you need to do is you take a jumper. This is a ground. This is a ground. This is a input. The output. Okay. The ground you must put the jumper and then put here. Same with the ground. It means that this is ground, and go here is mean that the line is ground. Okay. And then you put the jumper to go to the LED. Okay. I put this wire to the cathode, the shorter one. Okay. Let me put the wire first. Okay, I'm done. Right. Okay, all the ground already put at the ground Arduino. Okay, and then for this side, okay, for this side, on my coding I already declare as 9 to 13, right? And then what you need to do, you put the jumper here where you want to do it. Okay. In my coding I already declare the green at the port 13. Okay. And then the yellow port 12. The red is 11. Yellow again at 10, and the green is 9. Alright, I'm done. Okay, then I will upload the coding and you will see it. Alright, I have upload my coding. Okay, before I give the source to Arduino, I want to tell you that this is the basic code. Okay, where I use digital write, always repeat. Okay, for the looping I will give you on how to do it. Okay, you will see after this. Okay, this is the basic code. Okay, this is the basic code. Right, the LED is move faster because I give the delay about 50 millisecond. So this is LED dancing or LED chaser. Alright, after this I will show you the looping, for looping. Alright. Okay, so this is the coding for looping. It's still same, but I use the delay about 100 millisecond So 100 millisecond is about 0.1 second. Okay. If you want to do it in 1 second, you must put 1000 millisecond at delay. Okay. Done. I hope you will subscribe, like, comment and share for my video. Thank you.